Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your monitor which says no signal when your PC HDMI is plugged in. So here's a guide for your display settings. Fix 1. Confirm Windows is actually set to extend the display. Press the Windows logo key plus P to make sure that the extend option is selected. If the PC thinks the monitor is set to PC screen only or duplicate, it's matching what the monitor expects. So this alone can produce a no signal message. Fix 2. Disconnect all other accessories. Disconnect all accessories from your PC, connected docks, dongles, adapters, and other hardware which can cause the conflicts. Test with just the HDMI cable running straight from the PC to the monitor before adding anything else back. Fix 3. Check and swap the HDMI cable. Make sure the cable connecting your PC to your external monitor is secure. Try changing the cable connecting the external monitor. If the new one works, you know the previous cable was faulty. Make sure you change it. Fix 4. Test the monitor on a different system. Try using the external monitor with a different system. This can help isolate whether the issue is with the monitor or the primary system. If the monitor shows the no signal on a second PC too, the monitor itself is more likely cause, not your original PC. Fix 5. Try a different video output port. If your system has more than one video output port, try plugging your external monitor into one of the other video output ports. If your system has more than one display adapter like graphics card, you can try switching your system's default display adapter. Fix 6. Reset your graphics driver with a keyboard shortcut. Try pressing Windows logo plus Control plus Shift plus B. This may reset your graphics driver and fix the. By following those fixes, it should help you solve the problem. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.